Hey everyone, how's it going? Congratulations, you made it to our final unit for the semester. This semester, more than any other, that feels like quite the feat, right? So only a couple more weeks and we're done with our course. Our final unit is the poetry unit. It's our shortest unit. To some students, I know that that will come as a relief. They don't love poetry, and so shorter is better. For other students, I know that will be really disappointing. It seems like when it comes to poetry, people are either on one of the two extremes. They either love it or they hate it. Um, so there's not usually many people in the middle. Uh, for our unit, we're going to be just doing a quick introduction of different poetry concepts and terms, looking at some assigned poems and analyzing them with the new perspectives that we're learning. This will help us with our critical thinking skills, and we'll write one last essay. Again, this essay will be 5 pages, just like the previous essay. So we'll be moving through the poetry unit rather quickly. In some ways that makes it more challenging, and other ways it makes it a little bit easier. Regardless, as always, if you have questions, if you're having concerns, reach out. I'll have plenty of office hours and opportunities to check in and chat and go over any and all of your questions. Okay, so welcome to the poetry unit. Congratulations, we're almost done.